Hey guys, how y'all doing? Today, let's learn about Mpower lights and learn what we can do with them, or at least what one guy wanted me to do with them. So I had a unique customer that called in and wanted me to program some Mpower 4s. If possible, he wants to replace the DOT marker light on his box truck in the upper corners. Now, I did advise him about DOT legality, that this may or may not meet that on cruise setting. He's okay with that, but he wants to replace that three-quarter marker light, the single LED three-quarter way up on the corner of his box truck, with a light that can do both marker and warning. He doesn't want to lose the marker light, and he doesn't want to put a warning light next to it and drill more holes. He's like, can we just get one light that would do both? And immediately I was thinking the Sound Off Mpower would do that. So he asked me to set them up for him here, and we were able to do that. Now I'll put some screenshots to the Sound Off Config It tool. The settings we used: flash pattern quint, one light on A, one light on B, and the pattern, the wire config to make it do this. But here you can see these two lights. Now we'll go ahead and apply some power to my red-white wire, and you'll see I have cruise. Now that's going to work just like a marker light. And what we'll do is we apply power to the red wire, and you can see we now override the cruise and go into warning. Without power on the red wire, i.e. the strobe light switch, if we still have power on the other wire, it will go back into parking mode. So we're going to supply the red-white wire, the cruise wire, with parking light power, so he has the dim cruise. And then we're going to supply the other red wire with strobe light power, and he'll have his strobe lights to override the dim. Now, you can do this feature on the Mpower light. You could even do it on an amber white light if you wanted. Mpower lights can do a whole lot of stuff. We can do this with other colors too. But if you're like him and you're looking for that amber dim warning and a flash all in one, the Mpower light's the way to do it. And like I said, stay tuned at the end of this video for the tables that I used. Any other questions about Mpower lights, email us. I'll do my best to help you. And if it's interesting, maybe I'll set up a video like this and show you all what to do. So I know you guys kind of dig it when I show you different things. So here is just one of the cool things that's possible with the amber and or amber plus any color Mpower lighting, is you can have a dim cruise. And like I say, if you want a dim cruise in a different color, you can do that too. So thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. Drop a comment, smash the like, share. Most importantly, share this to anybody that you think might actually like these lights and or this feature. Might look good on steps, might look good on brand new Super Duties like this one here for our friends at Dakota Matting. A lot of cool places to put them. Might look cool on a 68 Buick Sport Wagon. Yeah, why not? All right, see you guys in the next video.